The European Central Bank praises itself at its 10th anniversary that their monetary policy was one of moderation, but if we look at the facts, then we can see that there was a high inflation in this 10-year period. On the one hand, the money supply, measured with all typical aggregates M1 to M3, increased roughly with 8% per year, and the gold reserve declined. That means, for example, if we take the monetary aggregate M3, that at the inception of the euro system, 11,000 euros were covered by 1 ounce of central bank gold. 10 years later, we record roughly 26,000 euro covered by 1 ounce of central bank gold. This is the inflation that the European Central Bank is responsible for, and as it seems they want to inflate the euro even more in the coming months and years.
Regarding the gold reserve position of the ECB, despite selling off a very huge chunk of its gold assets via the Euro Central Bank system, it is still the best performing position on the balance sheet of the ECB. If you were a hypothetical investment advisor to the ECB, would you still recommend to reduce this gold hoard further?
In fact, not. Most central banks have a balance sheet of dubious quality because the gold is the only asset which is really a valuable asset, a real asset. So the other the rest of the balance sheet is mainly consisting of claims of dubious quality, and if the European Central Bank wants to survive 10 more years or 15 more years, I think they should change their investment strategy and go back to gold as a real asset.